What is Temu? It is a Chinese-owned digital marketplace. In Temu's word, it is a one-stop destination for affordable items that come in a wide variety of selections, including home decor, electronics, makeup, apparels, and you name it. You might have already seen it on top of your App Store or Google Play Store. So what makes Temu so enticing? It is because of the incredibly cheap prices and free shipping. So is Temu legitimate or is it a scam? However, I did some digging, scrolled through a few TikTok reviews. Most of them were Temu hauls, and I barely saw any videos that were related to Temu scam. So it's safe to say that most of the reviews that I watched were on the positive side. If your order never arrives or if it arrives damaged, then you get a full refund of your order if you return your item in the next 90 days of your purchase. Temu is also quite easy to use. You just have to head to temu.com and then sign up or register for your account. Then you can just start your online shopping. However, I must warn you why the platform could be dangerous. Temu has a sister site that is another e-commerce platform. This platform was suspended by Google for containing malware. So it is possible that Temu has the same malware. This malware could be stealing your location, your data, your personal details. At the end of the day, the decision is all yours. If you want to buy cheap goods, then Temu is your correct destination. However, we have warned you of the dangers. So stay safe and stay woke.